settlement of can be the same with parties.
Chairman,
shall take it up.
We were the chairman.
Let's hear from NFA about.
Are flying, they begin wondering what is this. So that is what Mr. Justice Batema.
The flow or the way forward. What is the way forward?
Yes, I have a way forward.
Yes. And I want you to give me an amicable way forward. Harmonious coexistence. I am really very interested in having a dispute-free.
In our activities, we only run from grade 1 up to 5. This rapid from the top is class 6. We only do the class 1 up to 5. Don't think you're ahead of everybody. It's very bad. Huh? When do you come to our offices, since you blocked this gate, you people start paying money. We are going to block the gate. We came one day, the gate was closed. We could not even get away. I sat there 2 hours with customers. No.
Why you are you special?
You address the chair.
We sat there 2 hours. The gate was closed. The gate was closed. He blocked us. He said, you people, you go through grade 6 and die. I don't care. This is what you told us. Traveled. Huh? What you're doing is not right. People can walk along the river.
Come down.
This is not good. I'm very sad. I've been struggling. We've been struggling for a long time. And you NFA, say that you have given him to use this land. You have given him to use the whole river. Who is owning the river? Who is owning this river? Is there anyone owning this river? Huh? Is you, Jesus, created this river? That is bad. I have a big pain on my heart. And to the locals, that is very bad.
I do run Alo Valley rafting, and we've been rafting for the past 20 years on the river. For rafting in particular, we start from downstream Bujagali Dam up to Isimba Dam. We raft in between, from our starting point up to our end point. Okay, so the reason to why we making complaints regarding the river in particular, the fencing, on the river. When we're doing rafting and we to pay anybody who has a land onto the river, that's impossible, because also we are taxpayers. We registered companies, we pay taxes to URA, so we can't come and we start rafting from where we start from. All areas we move across the river in the 100-meter demarcation, like the river banks. We can't be paying everybody we find on the river. That's impossible, and it can't happen. It can never happen. So at the same time, when we're doing rafting, when we reach like Itanda Falls in particular, it's a big rapid. It's running above grade 5, whereby on commercial trips we stop on grade 5. We don't run grade 6. So if we're to risk our clients on the river, to stay on the river, to move on, we are going to kill clients. Okay? So we're going to kill clients. We're going to kill tourism in Uganda in particular. So when you look at Itanda Falls in particular, we don't move to this side of the land. We do move on the river bank. We get off and we move down. We don't move this side. Yeah? If we come and we to use this gate, we're supposed to make payment. We know that. If we are to access through this gate and we're coming to the river through like Itanda Falls experience, we're supposed to make a payment to them. But on the river bank, we just move on the river bank and we move downstream. Whereby that one we can't pay for it. It's impossible. Last time I checked with the NFA, I went to their office. I checked with them. I told them for Itanda, regarding Itanda, since they told me they have a land title. Mr. Michael told me they have a land title which runs like into the middle of the Itanda. And I told him it's impossible. All of us, our companies own land on the river, but nobody, they were cancelled before COVID. They told everybody to mark the 100-meter demarcation. So if Itanda is doing it illegally, are we allowed also to move back to our lands and we fence onto the riverbank, which is illegal, whereby everybody knows this is illegal?
Chairperson is there, see one are there. Said the chairperson, we have been blocked even from fetching water around, because people have been fetching water around there. They have been blocked. He said, what is it? I approached the NFA. I said, which is this? We sat From there, in my capacity, because I'm entrusted that we are the chairperson security by law, these people, the adrift, the rafting companies approached me, said, this has not been for the years you have been in office and operating with you. I approached these people. All we held a meeting there as if we are agreeing, but we disagreed in accordance with the law.
I preached to them the gospel of turning this into an ecotourism center. Some agreed. Some said, we shall fight you. Gano ife getulia, enana daife, duma waife, emboli. I said, I will fight you. If you can't win me, join me. And people join me. And one of them is the chairperson. The vice chairperson was having a garden there. He was the first one to say, nze mpanike, tusimbe miti, tusimbe bamboo, and they are all my workers, except one, I think the defense secretary, the head of the kayaks. I don't know his name, but maybe the chairman knows. The head of the kayaks was not a farmer here. So he said, if Batema takes our place where we have our livelihood, where shall we eat from? We shall side with the rafters and fight him. I said, no, I don't have any war with rafters. Rafters are licensed. If they are licensed, I shall only look at their licenses and I say, open the gate. Because we all pay to URA, Uganda Revenue Authority is licensed to collect taxes from me, from rafters. When you show me that you have paid for using this place, I don't tax you again, the double taxation. I'm a judge, I'm a lawyer, I know what it means. I know the law of taxation. Once I was not shown those papers, I reserved the entry. Management reserves entry. Now, NFA has explained why we had to fence off this area. The ravelers were not coming here to pray. They came here to dance, to drink, and get merry. And we couldn't allow over 30,000 revelers to be near the falls without a fence. Esente tetukyazirya kivubi. Edda wagenda nga ku nyanja n'ovuba nga teryakwata ku mukono. Kati government yateekawo emisolo. Even if the lake is a public land, public water body, you don't go fishing there, gafla anyhow. No, you pay taxes. The moment you go to the landing site, they say, what have you been doing on the water? Is it legally or not legally allowed? We have those laws. So, NEMA, help us. Educate whoever is going to operate on the river that they are licensed to do rafting in the waters of the river. Teach them what the 100 meters is and where it is calculated from. Because this is what we have been using to give compensation to people who are affected by Karuma, by Simba Dam. So this one is a simple one. It's a question of teaching our people what is taxation, what taxes should we pay in development ABCD.
Rafters who are complaining of access should, through Uganda Tourism Board, send the companies to me. Then I will write to Itanda Falls to exempt you for the meantime. And this exemption will be recognized by national, Uganda Revenue Authority and NFA. They shouldn't charge tax or payment dues from Itanda Falls because that's not income to Itanda. This is a temporary measure as we determine the application. I want to again make it clear that once the application is determined and you have a permit to manage a river bank, the river bank goes under your management, under the conditions of the permit. Itanda Falls experience yasaba olukusa iteeka nga bwe liragira okukozesa river bank ya wano ng'okusaba kwabwe okwo kukyali mu NEMA tetunaba kukusalawo so bwe tunaakusalawo ne bafuna permit baba bavunaanyizibwa okulabirira river bank ya wano kiba kitegeeza nti obuvunaanyizibwa bw'okugirabirira buba ku bo bwe tusanga nga waliwo nga kasasiro egenze mu mazzi oba ettaka ligenze mu mazzi oba akazambe egenze mu mazzi tuba tuvunaana bo kyekitegeeza okubeera n'olukusa okulabirira river bank so mu kiseera kino nga tetunaba kubawa olukusa olwo tukanyiza nti ba rafters bajja kugenda mu kitongole kibatwara kubanga ekitongole kya Uganda Tourism Board kyekitwara ba rafters ffe nga NEMA tetubamanyi ekitongole kibatwara kye kya Uganda Tourism Board so tubagambye bagende mu kitongole kya Tourism Board bewandiise Uganda Tourism Board etuwandiikire tugambe nti be bano ba rafters abalina olukusa okukolera ku mugga kiyira mu kifo nga bayita ku Itanda Forest Experience then tujja kuwandiikira concession ya wano Itanda Forest Experience nga tumusaba nti abakkirize bayitewo buyisi bwe baba bajja mu kifo kino bajja kusasula naye bwe baba bayitewo nga bakyagenda gye balaga nga permit tenafa kufuluma ajja kubakkiriza bayitewo era nga bw'owulidde era naye yeetemye nti talina buzibu n'ekyo ajja kukikolako as long as tumuwadde ebbaluwa so that aba Uganda Revenue Authority baleme kumubanja ate sente zaatakoze
Ogame muruka yamu olaba kyoko ega kikiko
Kamera zawe ziriyo
baba kamudwai back